So what we did over here is we shut down the riser, removed the old piping, installed 2 shut-off valves, hot and cold, put the stubs out for the sink, ran the toilet line, shower body, move the old tub, install the new waste, that's the old tub. Over 80 years old, probably about 100-year-old tub. We had to shut the riser down for this. We also installed 2 ball valves, just in case they ever had to replace the speedy valves. Reconnected the drain. So I'm ready to put the cabinets back, the sink. Everything is right there, ready to go. I'll never have to shut down the building for this apartment again, at least for another 20 years.